took it the wrong way. That's not, I was just trying to help. Hello? Hello? Gentlemen, apparently, there's some things that we, as dudes, may be doing to make the lovely ladies feel insecure. More insecure, because you would be shocked at how insecure even the most sassy of senoritas feels about certain things. So today, in an attempt to help you and your relationship be a little better, I'm going over 10 things guys do that make women feel insecure. Number 1, sweetie, have you ever thought about maybe wearing a little more makeup? In our heads, we think, yo, we're just trying to give a little constructive criticism, like wear more makeup. It'll make you even more beautiful than you already are. But in her head, she hears, you think I'm ugly. The second thing guys do that make women feel super insecure is flirt with other girls. So what defines flirting exactly? To her, everything. If she is attractive, or your girl views the person you're talking to as attractive. I saw the way you were looking at her. What are you talking about? There's a tone in your voice. I was ordering a latte. Doesn't matter what you do, what you say, what you don't say. It's a no-win situation for us because ultimately, chicks are crazy. The third thing that makes women feel insecure that we do is encourage them to work out. In your head, you're just encouraging her to get healthy, go to the gym, pump a little iron. In her head, she hears, you're fat. But unfortunately, she's got to want it for herself. And if she doesn't, you shouldn't encourage her to go with you. Because if she goes and then she starts seeing all these super mind-blowingly sexy bodies and all these chicks in spandex taking ass selfies, she's gonna freak out every time you want to go to the gym. The fourth thing that makes a woman feel super insecure is when we don't call or text back. If she calls you or texts you or tries to play hard to get and just like waits for you and you don't, she automatically thinks that you are not interested. She thinks that you think she's a slut. She automatically thinks that you're trying to get with Brenda, that super freaking fine, foxy friend of hers. The fifth thing, this is a big one, that makes a woman feel super insecure is when we can't get it up. She will automatically think that you don't find her attractive, and this is one of the most devastating things for her. But erectile dysfunction is also devastating for you. Gentlemen, 52% of dudes at some point in their life will experience some form of erectile dysfunction. And if that's you guys, there is a link down below to GetRoman.com/alpha. Roman is today's video sponsor and an incredible resource for treating ED. Roman is a one-stop shop where licensed US physicians can diagnose your ED and then treat it by sending you prescription medications right to your door. The beautiful thing about Roman is that there's no embarrassing waiting room. There's no like talking to your doctor. So, doc, I've been not really having easy time. The weather's amazing. You look good. You lose some weight? How are the kids? Good, good. That's great. By the way, I can't get an erection. Gentlemen, there's a link down below to GetRoman.com/alpha. Fill out the brief onboarding survey, chat with a doctor, and then have FDA-approved medication sent directly to your door in discreet, unmarked packages. And right now, guys, if you hit our special link, they're gonna give you your online visit free, which is incredible. Because the bottom line is this: if you've got something going on physically, you're experiencing some form of ED, you've got to get it treated. Because it's not only about you, it's about her. And making sure that you have a happy, healthy sex life. 6 things that guys do that make women feel super insecure is not introducing them to your friends or your family. If you're serious about somebody and you're not introducing them to your friends or your family, it makes her feel like you're not really that into her and that you're not interested in pursuing something long term. Now, the truth is, you may not, but I'm just letting you know that if you are interested in keeping her and making sure that she feels special, you gotta introduce her to the people in your life that are also special. Number 7 is when you hide your phone. Now, this is kind of a tricky one because she shouldn't be looking at your phone. In my opinion, it is a total violation of privacy if you are looking at hers and snooping or she is looking at yours. But if you are hiding it or always keeping it on vibrate or silent and she can never hear it, it does make it seem like you're messing around. Speaking of phones, number 8 has to do with social media. If you are constantly friending super hot chicks, not making her feel super warm, fuzzy, and confident about herself. Social media has changed the relationship game, and it has definitely made it easier to cheat. It's also made people a lot more insecure. And if you're constantly following, friend requesting people that are just super hot even though you don't know them, it's bad, brother, and it's something that you should probably refrain from if you want to make sure that you've got the healthiest, happiest relationship you can. Ninth thing that always makes a woman feel super insecure is asking her about her diet. Pressure to be beautiful, the pressure to be sexy and thin and just perfect, and what they see on Instagram and on television. The pressure is real and it's high, and this causes a lot of insecurities with everybody, but women, I think, a little bit more than men. And when you ask somebody about what they ate, this automatically in their head makes them think that you think that they're fat. It's just something that women don't like. Speaking of always avoiding, the last and final thing that we're going to talk about that makes women feel super insecure is when we ask them how much they weigh. It doesn't matter how super fine, foxy, thin, amazing she is. Weight is one of those things, probably the number one thing that women do feel insecure about. It's that whole crazy perception of what beauty looks like. And the truth is, it's sad and it sucks, but the fact is we've got to live with them, and so we can't make them feel unsexy, unbeautiful. It's our responsibility as men to encourage our women to be supportive, to make them feel beautiful. But if you do these 10 things, it definitely hinders that, and I don't want anything to affect your relationship because I know how incredible you are.